Hi there, students. Churlish. Okay, churlish is an adjective that describes somebody who is uncooperative, mean-spirited. They do the very minimum that is necessary, but no more. Someone that is unhelpful. So, for example, maybe you could say the shop assistant was very churlish. I'm sure you've all experienced churlish shop assistants. But the shop assistant is probably churlish because they're badly paid, they have to work long hours, and their boss probably treats them like something he stepped in. Okay? Churlish. Not willing to help, not polite. Churlish is talking about being rude and lacking charm when dealing with people, when doing things for them. Particularly if you are providing a service. Okay, so somebody is churlish. This is an adjective to describe the attitude of somebody. Very often, if you have to go and deal with the administration, the person behind the window, well, they certainly have a reputation for being churlish. Okay, let's see, we very often use this phrase, churlish, with, it would be churlish of me if I refused. He asked to borrow my car, and it would be churlish of me to say no. So I'm saying it would not be gentlemanly of me. It would be churlish if I didn't help him, because he's helped me so many times. So it would be ungenerous, mean-spirited, yeah, not in good form. Let's see. I make 2 videos every day, and I think it would be churlish of you if you complained that I only made 2 videos a day. Okay, this word comes from Dutch and German. There's a word in Dutch, kerel, and a word in German, curl. And I think this is talking about a low-class person, but you could probably comment on that. Originally in English, a churl, and you could use this word, a churl is a person. A churl is the lowest class of freeman, so not a slave, but the next level above. So effectively the lowest free member of society. You could even use this word churl. Stop acting like a churl and behave like a gentleman. Okay, this word it sounds a little bit posh, a little bit literary. I don't think it's a suitable word for a very informal conversation. Although, if you were talking to somebody middle class, you could definitely use this. It would be churlish of me if I didn't explain this to you. Yeah, try using it like that. It seemed very churlish of him to say no. Okay, so it wasn't the right thing to do. It wasn't what a gentleman might do. Okay, so, a churl. I was going to say something about calling someone a churl. Don't act like a churl. A common person with no manners and no breeding and no education. This word churlish would work very well in an essay or even a formal report. It's a good word because it shows that you have a wide vocabulary, and it's a good word to use to describe someone's character when they are surly and unhelpful. Okay? So, churlish, an adjective, comes from a churl, a low-class person. Churlish means an attitude of being unhelpful, of not wanting to help, of being rude, of not being polite, yeah, lacking charm and good taste, and being mean-spirited. So I'm really happy to say that the people who comment in my on my videos are in no way churlish. They're all very, very nice people, and they're all very helpful and cooperative, giving me ideas and different things. So, churlish, a push word that is quite formal, meaning unhelpful. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, it would be churlish of you not to give it a rating. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A churl is churlish.